What is good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Action Man, and I'm back with another reaction. And today's reaction, we're gonna be getting into Wildest car meets fails and crashes compilations. Y'all, I always wanted to go to car meets and stuff like that, but as you guys know, I have a Dodge Charger SXT, and I'm not taking my shit. This ain't no SRT, it ain't no RT, none of that other shit. But I'm not taking my shit to no car meet because they be shooting over there and they be fucking up people's cars in that bitch. So I'm not taking my shit over there. You ain't finna fuck up my shit. But let's go ahead and get into these crashes and these fails. Oh, 12 already there. Oh, bro. No! Bro, he just ran somebody over. Oh, I gotta see this. Hold up. I gotta see this, man. Oh my God. I've seen so many videos on Instagram, people getting hit while they were like drifting. Bro, I can't. And they walk and they get up like it's nothing. Like nothing happened. That shit crazy. Ooh, that shit nice. Ooh, that shit nice. Ooh. That shit clean. Shout out to Za. Shout out by Za. Oh, his shit came off. The back part of his car came off. Yo, I would not be running in the middle of the pit, bro. What the fuck? What is wrong with you? Oh! Bro, get the fuck out the way. Well, I hope she don't fall, bro. That's the worst feeling, to fall off that bitch. Or if it like flips over on you. I'd be so scared for a car to flip over while I'm like on the side. How are y'all like, oh my, bro, you're about to get ran the fuck over. Wait, these aren't fails though. Did he crash? Yeah, he crashed. It wasn't that bad though. He gonna hit something, bro. They hit each other? They hit each other? Oh, shit. Damn. He finna get out the car and start spazzing, man. Bro, what? It's always the fucking Jeeps.
Damn, man.
What you in a rush for?
Another Jeep, bro.
Bro, get these Jeeps out of here. And it's a chick in the Jeep. You hit his car, girl. What the fuck? Girl, say sorry, bro. You hit this nigga car with your weak ass Jeep. And she over here trying to make it seem like she ain't in the wrong. The Jeeps, bro. That fucker's crashing already. That shit fucked, bro. That shit fucked. It ain't shit. Yeah, it can get fixed, but still, fuck. Somebody finna get hit. Oh man. I hope I don't see nobody get ran over, please. I don't want to see somebody get ran over, bro. I'm over here gasping. I don't want to see nobody get hit. Bro, I'll be all the way in the back. I'm not finna be at the edge of the what's it called, so I can get hit, nigga. Hell nah. And he over there, dee! Nigga, back your ass, but that's a Camaro? Yeah. Bro, I fucks with Camaros, bro. I really like Camaros. I think my next car gonna be a Camaro. All that tire smoke, I ain't breathing that shit in, bro.
Stop it.
Ain't nothing but rubber.
It's a Mustang shit. I just almost missed it. Did that Mustang shit. Come on, track off, give me some. But don't be lame, nigga.
Oh!
The kid, bro. Oh my God, bro. Always a fucking Mustang. Always a Mustang,
Bro. What the fuck? Ooh.
Hey, what do we expect? We expect that shit.
No! We do not expect kids to get fucking ran over. What the fuck? Oh shit. Okay, at least he able to get back on the not the motorcycles, bro. Oh, he finna fall off that bitch. Fuck. Hold up. Cause you finna get out of here.
They lost his damn speakers, huh?
Nigga, speakers fell?
How the fuck he do that? It came out the trunk.
What? That was hard. Hey, these hoes are. I really like watching car meets, but I want to go to one, but bro, it'd be a lot going on there. But I really fuck with car meets and stuff like that. I'm gonna start doing more reactions to like car meets, like crashes and fails. This wasn't even a lot of fails or crashes. Nothing too bad. I definitely did not want to see anybody get ran over, bruh. But let me know if y'all ever been to a car meet, and if you did, what was the experience of it, and how bad was it, or how fun was it, man? Because I know they're pretty cool. Most of them are really pretty cool. But yeah, that is it to this video, everybody, man. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this reaction, make sure you guys leave a like, comment down below if you got any recommendations, any videos you want to see me react to, and make sure to subscribe. And that is it till the next one, y'all. Peace.